If your closet is full, but you still feel like getting dressed is harder than it should be, that is not a personal failing. It's actually a closet system problem. Did you know stylish women over 50 are not magically better at clothes? They're just doing a few things differently. And the key is they stop letting their closets run the show. They stop collecting pieces that are just kind of meh, and they stop dressing for an old life. But what they do is they start building closets that actually support their real bodies and their real daily life. So today I'm giving you 26 closet rules for 2026. Think of these as your style guardrails for the year. And you don't need to overhaul everything overnight. But if you start living by these rules, your closet will feel lighter, your outfits will feel easier, and your style will feel like you again. And guess what? There's no try-ons, there's no pressure, just rules that stylish women actually follow. So let's dive in. Now, what I want you to know is these are not fashion commandments. I get comments that people say, who are you to make the rules? They're not commandments. They're just guidelines. You're not going to get struck by lightning if you break one, but they will keep your closet from sliding back into chaos. Here are the 26 rules. Rule number 1, your closet must match your real life. Not the life you used to have, not the life you wish you had, your real life. If your real life is casual, your closet needs to be casual polished, not full of clothes for events you never go to. Rule number 2, prime closet space is earned. If you wear something weekly, it gets a front row in your closet. If you wear something twice a year, it should not be in the front space, prime real estate of your closet. Put those pieces towards the side or back of your wardrobe. Rule number 3, favorites first always, because stylish women keep their favorite pieces visible and easy to grab. If your pieces are buried between just fine pieces, you'll keep dressing on autopilot and not wearing the clothes that suit you properly. Rule number 4, do not keep clothes that make you feel bad. If you immediately put something on and want to take it off, that item is a no in your wardrobe. You're not here to be punished by polyester or wearing pieces that are ill-fitting. Number 5, comfort is not optional. As women over 50, we really deserve to live by this rule. And you know what? Comfort does not mean sloppy. It really means that you can live your life in your clothes and feel good, because stylish women do not wear outfits they have to fight with all day. Rule number 6, a good fit is more important than a good brand. Now, you could have a jacket that's $300 that fits poorly and looks worse than a $60 one that fits beautifully. Fit always does the heavy lifting for your outfits. Rule number 7, if it constantly needs adjusting, it goes. Tugging, pulling, slipping, gaping, yeah, those are all no for me, and they should be for you. Clothes that misbehave are not worth your energy and should not be in your wardrobe. Rule number 8, store items by category and then silhouette. So you're going to put your tops with your tops, your pants with your pants, and then inside those categories, group them by length or shape. For example, you could have all your hip bone length tops together, all your long tops together. If you've got jeans, all your straight leg jeans together, and then all your wide leg jeans together. And doing this will help you build outfits fast. You'll be able to pull out the right pieces to make the kind of silhouette you want much faster when you sort it like this. Rule number 9, silhouettes date faster than color. If your style feels off, usually the shape is the issue. And here's the trick. Stylish women update silhouettes gently over time instead of clinging to a silhouette that stopped working years ago. Rule number 10, balance is a style shortcut. And here's the trick. Wide with straight, long with short, and relaxed with clean. Because if everything is big, or everything is cropped, or everything is long, outfits are quickly going to get heavy and out of balance. So balancing them with these keys, long with short, wide with straight, will help keep everything in balance. Rule number 11, shoes decide the decade. If outfits start to feel dated, start with your feet. Stylish women keep their shoes updated, even if the rest of their outfit is simple. Rule number 12, your closet should be mostly outfits you can repeat. Stylish women don't need 50 different looks. They need a few outfit formulas that work. And repeating formulas isn't boring, it's smart. Rule number 13, You only need 3 outfit formulas to feel put together. So what I want you to do is pick 3 outfit formulas that always work for you and build your closet to support those formulas. Rule number 14, buy for gaps only. Gaps are the spaces in your closet that you're always like, wow, if I only had this item. When you buy those pieces, that's when your wardrobe really comes to life. And by shopping without a gap list is how closets will fill up with random cute things that never become outfits because you have nothing to go with them. So stylish women always shop for their gap list. Rule number 15, if you can't name 3 outfits to wear the garment with, don't buy it. Stylish women do not buy garment projects. Buy pieces that plug in to what they already own in their wardrobe. Rule number 16, a sale is not a reason. This is one we often fall into, so we're making it a rule. A sale is only a bonus if the piece is already perfect. It was such a good deal is how blah pieces enter your wardrobe and how your wardrobe ends up full of blah pieces. Rule number 17, do not buy just fine. Stylish women buy favorites. If you pick a piece and it just feels lukewarm in the store, it's going to feel invisible by the time when you get it home. Rule number 18, fabrics matter more than you think. I'm talking about thin, clingy, and droopy fabrics because they are going to read frumpy really fast. Stylish women choose fabrics with a little life and structure. Rule number 19, your closet is not storage. If you're keeping clothes just in case, or because they have a special memory, that is storage. Your closet is only for clothes you actually wear today. Rule number 20, one in, one out keeps your closet sane. If you bring in a new black top, an old top can leave. Because you know what? Closets don't get cluttered overnight. They get cluttered because we keep things that are just in case, one at a time, and that builds up. Rule number 21, duplicates only earn a spot if they're your best. 3 identical cardigans is not a wardrobe. It's actually a panic response. You don't need to have duplicates of something for just in case. Keep the best 1 or 2 and let the rest go. I know this is a problem for me with white button-downs, and I have a closet that's waiting for me to remove those white button-down duplicates. Rule number 22, trends are seasoning, not the meal. And the key is stylish women use trends in small doses. It could be a color, a shoe, a silhouette tweak, not a whole closet full of trendy pieces that are going to feel tired by June. Rule number 23, your body is not the problem. It's the clothes. Stylish women don't punish their bodies by keeping clothes that don't fit. If a garment doesn't fit you, it's not your job to fit it. So get it out of your closet. Rule number 24, plan outfits once a week. Sunday outfit planning is a stylish woman's secret weapon. Check the weather, check your schedule, and plan your outfits. Because you know what? Getting dressed is so much easier when you decide once a week instead of daily. Rule number 25, do not keep clothes for a future version of you. We're not keeping clothes for when I lose weight or when I start going out more. Dress for who you are now. You know what? She deserves a great closet too. Rule number 26, a closet should feel calm to open. If opening your closet feels stressful, something is off. Stylish women build closets that feel clear, easy, and supportive. And that is the standard for 2026. So those are your 26 rules for 2026. And notice what none of these rules require. They do not require a new budget. They don't require a new body. And they don't require you trying harder. They require a little bit of clarity and a closet that supports your real life. Keep your favorites visible, shapes updated gently, formulas that repeat. Shop for your gaps only, keep your shoes current, and do Sunday planning so you stop negotiating with your closet every morning. And that is how stylish women over 50 do it differently now. Now tell me, which rule do you need most in 2026? Is it shopping for gaps only, planning outfits once a week, or finally ditching clothes that don't fit your lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. You know I love hearing from you. Stay gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next video.